box, as you can see. It's really big. So here's what we have inside. This is the Vrsf 7.1 Race Edition. This is the best of the best you could get Bmw E60. I'm not sure about these. This sounds so complicated. Oh, I like these. That's nice. Okay, well, let me take out the bumper first, and then figure out what the hell is going on here. Alright. Okay, so part one is pretty much done. We took the whole front bumper out. Alright, so far this is the progress. This is the OEM front mount intercooler. Look how small is that. This is our upgraded 7.5 Vrsf. I think this is 5. I'm not sure. I don't know if this is 5, but this is 7.5 Race Edition. This is the factory OEM piping. This is our upgrading aluminum with some plastic, not plastic, but like rubber, which is pretty good quality. And these another connection, and just like the clamps. And man, this was really difficult. This project is really difficult. I would not recommend you guys do it by yourself. I mean, it's doable, you could do it by yourself, but I don't recommend it since it takes a lot of time, a lot of screws, a lot of things. You have to have the time to do it. So I mean, I'm gonna try to put it back. Hopefully it fits, because it's really big compared to the OEM. Hopefully it fits. I mean, let's hope it fits, and I will see when I do the whole thing. Alright guys, welcome back. Day 2. Literally day 2. And guys, it's cloudy. I'm afraid that it's gonna rain. Yesterday was 91 degrees, so it's hell of a hot yesterday. So I don't know about today, but let's see how it goes. And I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is the factory intercooler. This is the factory pipe. This is another pipe that I took off, and this is the upgraded 7.5 intercooler. Interesting. And it's dripping water, man. It's gonna rain. Sucks. And there you go, because this is really what I need. A rain. Yes. In the summer. For at least last couple weeks it's been hot as fuck. Now it's decided to rain, because this is what I really need right now. Great. Alright, so I changed the plan since it was raining yesterday, and today I really have no time. I just hit up my mechanic. His shop is in Cajon City. He's really good, cheap price, guys. It's amazing, guys. It's called FND Auto Care, and I'm gonna go there. They're gonna help me set up the intercooler. It's gonna be fun, so I'll see you there. Guys, I stripped my Prius. This poor guy, they stole his exhaust system, and that's bad.
كمبيوتر اذا بدك كهربائي، بدك كهربائي قطع عدل وهذا اللي يصير الكمبيوتر. هاي الجريرة هاي الجريرة